Welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia said this jokingly to her boyfriend, and you want to go ahead and hear his reaction. Marcia, she's a fun person, and she's just having fun with him as they were on a journey to somewhere, maybe home. And she was talking about, that she's pregnant with twins, and you should hear his reaction and hear her reaction. It's a fun thing, to see her that she's been in a relationship, she's able to make run jokes basically and to be her natural self. So guys, go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And for all the lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have yourself a beautiful day. And I wish you joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters out there, yes, you, I wish you a wonderful day. Keep a smile on your beautiful faces. And if you can make somebody else smile, do that as well. Have a blessed day. And remember, Marcia has her business. Go and support.
A sweet talkie they give me? No, a sweet talkie will give me? So what you tell me you want for me? So a sweet talkie will give me? Me want to make sure, Because to me tell me how old I can't be with me, say me don't know. No, what you say to me? You know say doctor, what you say? God no can do whatever. No, so you say? What you say? You know say doctor can't miracle, me tell that.
Yeah.
So how you ask me a question? So there is nothing impossible God can do. Then how you come and tell me, say me tell you that? Better me.
At the stop sign, turn left onto International Drive.
All me supposed to know? I'm telling you. All me supposed to know that? And you are going to tell me, you are going to talk about, you are going to tell me about you think they couldn't get pregnant, Then what you say? When I told that what you say, you say God can't do something. Then who comes here go and say no, you get no, so that's me say, you get fired. No, me I fire you. No, me I fire you. No.
At the light, turn
No, me come up with that, me I fire because guess what? You are trying to deny my little baby, no. No, you wouldn't do that. No, me I come to me I tell you no. Yeah. Me can't take care of my baby myself. Well, the doctor tell me say me have twin. Me pregnant with twins, so me no know that will work. So you have to put on a ring on the finger. Yeah.
in a quarter mile. Take a slight right turn onto Rainbow
Me
Road.
not have them a picking here unless me married. Yes. So yeah, forget you're gonna get married. Yeah, you get married. What happened? Triplet? No, a twin. Twin.
Take a slight right turn onto Rainbow Road.
Twins. Twins. So you can't afford triplet right now. Yeah, you still have a pitney if you send to college. So you can't do no twin right now. No triplet right now. Two is good enough.
In 1.3 miles, turn left onto Hamilton Road.
Me tell the people say I'm baby animal laugh. I mean, I fire him, because you see, come here, I was like, first, let me tell you, me get pregnant, and he gonna tell me, say, how me say me can't get pregnant. That is, and first of all, him not even not think. Because if first thing if he be smart, he would have say, how the hell you get pregnant when me never come in here yet? That's what you should have said. So how me
In 1 mile, turn left onto Hamilton Road.
you forgot say that. The whole you get pregnant. Miracle, me never seen a miracle baby. That's the first thing you should have said. You should not ask the question like that. You should have asked how me get pregnant. Then you should have said, I want to me pitney, I want different man pitney, and that you should have said. Yeah, you're not think smart. Your first thing you want to go and deny, baby. You deny. Well, you should have. Well, I'm telling you, you're fired. Me, and that is it. Me want one man who's gonna say, "Oh my gosh, you're pregnant, sweetheart," and give me a kiss for my jaw. No, that's what I'm expecting. Oh my God. Yeah, that's what I did. I just went over there and killed some time. Come and say, since that's me there close by, me just come and get you there, so and stuff. So me just like, so I went over there, and there is a lot of people over there, as usual. Today was a beautiful day. Yeah, but still, I am telling you that the signal is not good, people. When it comes to the party, signal go away. and come back.
In about 2.5 miles, keep right onto Bradley International Airport, Connecticut, east toward Hartford.
When you it's called the reality show of Marcia life. We have to learn a lot over here. Between me and my friend, you can learn a lot. You see, nobody don't give certain things on social media like me. We keep it real in certain things. Just having fun, having conversations that are very important too, and give and to show you guys all the chemistry and the where you call it?
In 2 miles, keep
right
onto Bradley International
well,
Airport, Connecticut, east toward Hartford.
That we have for each other and the respect that we have for each other. You when you're talking to somebody, you should be able to run joke and have a good attitude about it. Don't take things too serious. And don't search man phone. You know, all the time you have a phone put on, I never said give me see because it's not my business. But if you get your phone call and me see your phone call coming, I mean I might be able to turn on the TV, turn on the radio. I don't care who I talk to. You understand? So these are the things you can you run joke. Hi, how are you? You run joke, and you must have a good personality because when you reach certain age, you have nothing to lose. What do you have to lose when you already been there and done that before? Because remember, at our age, in our 50s, we are not teenagers. We're not in high school. We are not trying out prospective suitors or whatever it is. You're looking, but you must be wise. You must see the certain value that a person have, how them treat you. Because if he never treat me a certain way, I would have never come and pick him up and whatever in all kind of way, in different way.
Use the right 2 lanes to keep right onto Bradley International Airport, Connecticut, east toward Hartford.
So what I'm saying is this: we must have a little respect, and this is how you're supposed to run joke with each other. And this is not like I'm pretending like you're in the car. You're trying
keep
to
right.
You're trying to impress Facebook. This is not an impress. This is how me and him talk all the while. On the phone.
For about 20 miles, continue straight.
Me always make him laugh. You need people who, cause him is kind of a little serious sometimes. Sometimes if I say laugh, smile, cause he's kind of a little serious. But for me, he can't keep serious around me. I feel laugh because I'm gonna say something to make him laugh. So he can't keep. There's no way, no man can do Marcia. Either them I could say, I mean a mad woman or whatever. But there's nobody can be around me and have a little serious look and don't laugh. Because I'm gonna give you a joke. I'm gonna say, first of all, I'm gonna be feisty. I'm gonna say something. We wanna say something. Oh, you never tell me something looking beautiful today. You never see me look. Huh?
Yep.
So why you never say that? All of the give me a kiss from my jaw and whatever it is. Why you never tell me say you're looking beautiful? You know, see me have nice colors and whatever. Why you never tell me that? Me know you tell me that every day, but me never hear from you. You can tell me that by the phone. Yeah, but I mean, me want to hear it. Me want to hear it in person. You tell me that, but I mean, but when you come in your car, you're supposed to see me if me looking nice. It's like, oh, honey, I love that dress you have on. You're looking so colorful and pretty. You know, a woman love to hear sweet talking and the years old, you know. When you have a sweet talk, woman to make woman happy. Yeah, you got a sweet talk. You got to give woman all the sweet talk. When the man doesn't mean you want to hear it. That is it, you know. All when the man doesn't mean you want to hear it same way. Same way. All the little sweet talking and sweet attention. Because February people love sweet talking, you know. You know February people? You ever dated a February woman before? Huh? Oh, you don't know February people. February people will require a lot of attention on it. If you keep them not being miserable. Yes, but if you keep them when they want them very much controlling and spoiling and certain things. So you have to keep them active, Baba. We like a Duracell battery with certain things, and we don't keep nothing. We just dash it up without warning. If we have something to tell you, we dash it right out. We dash it right out without warning. But I don't know about the bodies, but me do be anything for my mind, me I tell you. Yes, anything about with the my mind, me I keep it. Yeah, so as I was saying, before, I was like, when you reach certain age and you are doing your own thing, you're not supposed to act like, say, you're supposed to take control. You can't act shy. You have to demand what you want, because you already been through life experience already and face the ups and downs, the trials and tribulation every single day. Every single day we face ups and downs. Man face up and down, woman face up and down. We have our trials and our tribulation that we have to face on a daily basis. And we already been down. Oh, this is a person that drives so slow. We already been down relationship road before, in that sense. When man break our heart, them disappoint us. Some of them we are look them they don't want, with them are look we don't want them. It's vice versa, because you can never please the world. So when it comes to certain age, you have to just relax. Take the flow. You want respect, you want love, you want affection, you want attention, you want all of that. So we can just bring in the whatever somebody else did to us. You understand? And a lot of us women are carrying baggage, not me. Because me never anybody really did that to me. Most of my relationship issues were the mother that was very interfering. In all my relationship that I have, the man them were very nice and good to me. It's the mother I have a problem with. The mother. I must testify. All my relationship that I had, those men treat me very well. But it was the mama, the family. The mother was an hindrance in all my 3 major relationships that I had. The mother. Yeah. That's why, that is the reason why I mentioned certain statement. Well, me don't want to say it around my friend because it's too sensitive. You understand? But that's why I'm telling you, say no, when it comes to certain mother and whatever, it's very sent, because all of them interfere. And I treated their son very well. I take care of their son very well. But they were not accepting in certain situation. Either they were prejudiced, or they think that the son was too good enough for you. Most of them. Because I remember my first husband, the mama was kind of prejudiced towards me, because through him having red skin and him look like a Spanish and Syrian looking and whatever it is. And the mama was kind of prejudiced towards me, never liked me. You understand? I think him feel like, say, his son should have get a bit more good looking woman, or some sort of way. But his son love who he love. And she thought that the relationship was like a little foolishness. When we lost almost 10 years, and still friends said we, and she had to finally accept that it was real loved. She had to finally accept that. Because that is a problem with a lot of mothers. That is a problem with a lot of mothers. The second husband now, the Indian people, oh Jesus Christ. She was controlling. She was so controlling in a family there. So me, I would have stayed away from an Indian family, tell you the truth. I never know, say, if you're married to the man, if you're married to the mama, the sister, the daughter, and everybody. I never know that. I never know that. Yes, my dear, I never know that. So that ain't gonna work. Yeah, I'm telling you. So most of my issue was with the mother. Yes, they were my biggest hindrance in a relationship. I'm telling you. But those men that I had, they treated me very well. And up until today, me and them, my friend, except the last husband. They accept the last husband. If it wasn't for the mother, me and him would have still together, said we. Me not ask you. But me glad me and him never work out, because I couldn't give him the baby. And he was still young. You understand? So I'm glad that he move on. I'm glad that him find one younger woman and more fruitful in one way. Because I would have feel bad if he say him only have one pitney and don't have no more. So me glad say never work out, because we didn't have to go do one surrogacy or whatever. And me was like 7 years older than him. Maybe 6, 7 years older than him. So it's alright. Nothing meant to last. Because you don't want to deprive man of having children. Because you don't want to You know, him say him never really cared about it. But you see, the thing about him never have a mind of his own. That is it. You have to have him as strong. Him never strong. He was very weak in making decisions because he was already done manipulated by his family. So when you're manipulated by your family and you don't have certain qualifications and you have to depend on your family to do certain things for you, then you become weak. Your man will become taken away in certain situations. So with him, it was like that. Him did weak in his mind. Him didn't make a decision. He never trust me enough. And I say not trust me enough, but because you know him live at Jamaica and whatever, and him in his mother house and everything. Him in his mother house and everything. It was kind of complicated. It was kind of complicated to insert situations. So because him have to stay there under the regime, and because him can't do certain things for himself, like when it come to book work and all them sort of something there, they take advantage of the situations. But he was such a good husband. So it is very important. If you have a man attack to a Jamaica or anywhere in the world or any aspect, it is very important if they really find a good man they really love. Encourage them to take up some educational classes and do something so them can help themselves. Because when you can't do certain things and you have your family who have a son who have them college, who going to the university and you can't do certain things, it is an hindrance. And that is where they had the control.
In about 10 miles, take exit 22 south on the left to merge onto Route 9 south toward Middletown.
So that is the thing. So so it is very important if you care about somebody a yard. Encourage them to take a little classes. Go to Jamal classes. Even if you have to invest, if you choose to invest in them to have a tutor, come and give them some classes and teach them something where them can help themselves in the book world, in the banking system, in certain aspect or whatever it is. And you don't depend, because a lot of people don't want to learn. They want to depend on them brother because their brother have college degree or their mama do this and whatever. And that is the thing. You got to teach. And that is one of the things, when I was in Jamaica, just to show you an example, when I first started to drive in Jamaica, when my friend that I was dating in Jamaica gave me a car, and me used to take people, like have my cousin them and my friend them drive me anywhere me want to go around Jamaica. And my friend was very upset. He never liked nobody coming in car, because for him car them is like BMW or whatever. He don't want to buy a driving vehicle them. It's like Marcia, but me can't drive, but me did afraid for drive at Jamaica. Like say, when me I go over flat bridge, when me I go around town after tree, me just afraid. When me I go back walk, Linstead, we got Ochi, me did afraid. So me I go Portmore and all them sort of something there. Me did afraid. You understand? So I would hire people to drive for me. That will hire, take my family friends them and people to drive. But then my friends start getting upset like, Marcia, I don't want nobody in my car. My ears set me sit, me pick my friend them tell me say them sit in the car, and you have somebody him know something I can a man named car or whatever. And he was like upset. He was like, you take the car and drive it and let them tell you where to go. And that's how me learned to drive at Jamaica. Me come on, I took the car. And then when I used to give them the car to drive to, they were taking advantage. Me with a guy hairdresser every other day go wash me hair. Cause you know them time they weave me I wear. And me I go out every night. Right? So me have the weave Jamaica at a sweat out. So me would go down a Teresa down a halfway tree. Go get me hair curl up. Because you know them the time that we are putting with big expensive hair and weave and whatever. So we have to go wash we hair, because by the time we got